back, all my gamers. What's up? Well, I decided to do my montages still, and yeah, I decided one messed up video of a random fat kid raging over people that kill him for no apparent reason, yelling at the camera, which probably is his mom or brother. I don't know who it was, but he's like a random fat kid and short. Chin, take a second. Alright, but yeah, right now I decided I might as well say it. I'm gonna do the montages still, and yeah. So practically, the last video was messed up. Besides that, Danny B, see that nigga gay, man. He if you find him, jump him. I don't know how he look. He's probably a weird face looks like. And yeah, but yeah, I was saying that one Mexican, that one white guy. I'm sorry, and I'm not racist. I'm just saying I'm not racist. Shit, I talk about my color sometimes, man. Forget that wetback, man. Forget the beaters. Beaters. See, I'm Mexican too. I'm making my own race. Got a problem? Alright, but yeah, right now I'm talking to my friends right now. Wait, I'm gonna make them say hi. Watch this, super powers. Wait. Okay, say hi.
Chief Curtains.
Chief Curtains? What? Okay. Glenn, you gonna do hi again?
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna. Hi.
Oh, say it again.
Christian has beef curtains.
Beef curtains? Oh shit, yeah. Beef curtains, yo. Freaking, I got beef curtains. You got, look at that. Okay, he's all the people. Okay. Okay, well yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. That's all I was gonna say. Peace.